Hey, concrete fans, check it out. Some gray matter for us to mix, and we will see what color it becomes. Can you guess? I have, how much do I have? I have 8 kilos of gray matter. And this is 800 milliliters of water. For every 1 kilo of gray matter, you need 100 milliliters of water. I'm not going to use this. Let me get back to that. Okay. Oh, that's great. You want to really dig your fingers in. Color's starting to come through. Oh, you know what? I think I misread the card. This is closer to 18 kilos. Something's... I can tell the ratio's been measured out correctly, but I don't know. This isn't 8 kilos, it's more. It's 18. It's 18 kilos. I see. I thought this was... I was reading a pencil mark on a sheet of paper that wasn't actually... It was... I thought it was erased, but it was supposed to be there. It was very faint. So 18 kilos of gray matter, in which case my water was 1.8 liters of water. But still, just that ratio for every kilo. Oh, this is getting hard to do. I'm getting tired. Keep going. This might be, I think I would say at 20 kilos, you maybe want to consider mixing with some sort of mechanical assistance. You can do this, but it will be a workout. This is a workout. Oh man, can you imagine every day? I do this every day. You get strong. Oh, there we go. We're almost there. At this stage, now I'm starting to look for lumps. I want everything to break. I'm going to break it up. Okay, we're getting good. Don't rush things. I would really, really, really tell you to hesitate if you're thinking of adding water. If you've mixed to that ratio, 100 milliliters to every kilo, do not add any water until you feel you've broken down every lump. There's no more dry spots. In which case, if you really, really, really feel you need to add water, it's like these, I've got dry concrete in here, there's no way it's going to absorb. You can give it a little squirt, but don't know if I will. I don't think so. I like this. Oh, yeah. Just needs a little bit of time. Now, word of warning. Most you will, you've only got about an hour of work time. So if you're pouring something big, plan accordingly. And at some point, if you're pouring something really big, you might need a team to do so. Or if you're pouring something in quantity, if you have like, oh, I've got to do all of these, you may have to be careful how much you batch out. Okay. And now we've got this. Pretty amazing. Oh, gray matter. Doesn't it look good enough to eat? See that? Perfect. That's exactly what you want right there. Well, I'm about to have some fun with this. And so hopefully you mixed up your batch of however much concrete you're mixing up today to make your beautiful things. And have a good, wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. I hope you make the most beautiful concrete things.